G'day, here are 3 small pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. They're just offcuts. They're ready to shape into little gemstones. The rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. Okay, I've just adjusted the camera there a little bit. As you can see, they're nice and thick, but basically that's going to be the shape. You shape it a little bit rounder if you wanted to, but make a nice stone for a little ring, inlay for a ring or something like that. Pendant. That needs to be cut down a little bit more. Stone on the end there. Again, very nice and thick. And last but not least, another small stone. Maybe make those matching pair for earrings, small stud earrings, and pendant. That'd be quite possible with those 3 pieces. Anyway, it's up to you. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.